Today's episode of Victoria's Ballin' on the Budget is we are gonna make salsa. So, I like it spicy, so my mom says I need ¿cuántos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, menos, más, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm gonna do 15. So the first step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off all the stems, and then we'll come back and teach you the next step. We have 1 tomato, and since the tomato is a little bit bigger, my mom said we should add a little bit more peppers. So the next step is I'm gonna wash them out and then cut off the stem of the tomato. And I have water boiling currently because then it's gonna go into the pot. All right, so then I have the chiles and the tomato in the water, and it's just gonna boil. And then also, what you wanna be careful of is if you're touching the peppers, the serranos, you don't want to touch your face or your eyes or anything after that, just to be safe. If you do, you're going to want to rub your eyes with the hair, and it takes it out, the sting from your eyes. Okay, so now that they are nice and soft, what I'm going to do is take them out, and then I'm going to put it into the blender. Now I do have a little butter knife in there, and the reason I have that is so that the glass doesn't break because this stuff is hot. So, and then before I start blending it, I'll take it out. I'm gonna put a quarter of the water from the pot into the chile and the tomato. And then you can add this seasoning, or you can add salt into there, and you're just gonna put a little bit. How much my mom measured out, and as you know, moms just do it by hand. I would say this is about a half a teaspoon. And then you're just gonna put it into the blender. What I'm gonna use for this is I'm just gonna use pulse, and then we're just gonna keep going until it's blended all together. Take a little bit out. We did like 4 pulses, so then we take it out, and then we're gonna just taste it. And you're gonna see my live reaction. And I actually have a seed in this one. And it picas.